It's time for another crypto review. In today's video, you'll find out about XBO, which is a new crypto exchange for web and mobile. It differentiates itself from the competition by being simple to use and especially accessible to beginners. Let's find out what it's about. Stay tuned. XBO.com will offer a range of cryptocurrency related services starting from a crypto exchange and OTC buying and selling. They'll be launching between the end of August and the start of September, and they're currently open for early registrations. Let's talk about the early signups and their loyalty program. When you visit the XBO.com homepage, you'll see that the company has already launched a loyalty program. XBO.com is rewarding the first 10,000 verified signups with advanced lifetime benefits when the platform launches. The loyalty program consists of 5 levels or tiers starting from silver and moving on to gold, platinum, diamond, and black diamond. Now, here's the advantage to being an early joiner in their signups. Verified signups will start their journey with XBO on the second level, which is the gold tier, and will enter a draw to win the lifetime top tier blind diamond benefits. Here's how it works. To advance from one tier to the next, users must accumulate experience points known as XPs. This game-like element basically rewards users for staying engaged. XPs are accumulated by completing various actions like logging in daily, buying, selling, and swapping crypto. Unfortunately, for those that don't sign up now, they'll start from silver, which means that they'll need to have 10,000 XPs to get to gold, 65,000 to get to platinum, 650,000 to get to diamond, and 2,100,000 for black diamond. Every tier introduces greater benefits, so as you advance to the next tier, you receive better cashbacks, lower spot trading fees, and more free fiat withdrawals each month. Another gaming element is that every time you progress from one tier to the other, you win incremental randomized rewards in various cryptocurrencies. I also did some digging into the team as I couldn't find team members on XBO's website, and I came across this article by Finance Feeds where they talk about Shimon Baran, the chief marketing officer who joins XBO recently, and it looks like they've hired an ex-eToro employee with an ex-Naga employee, and you can also find the LinkedIn profile of Shimon if you Google his name and want to do more research on the team themselves, of course. Next, let's talk about the importance of the Bored Apes, and if you happen to own one of those NFTs, you will not want to miss this opportunity. The Bored Ape Yacht Club, launched in April 2021 by blockchain tech Yuga Labs. Yuga Labs grants their NFT owners the right to use their images collectively by licensing the associated intellectual property rights. Owners can derive utility from their NFT beyond the digital flex or a token of a membership to the trendy club. Bored Apes are especially popular among celebrities, with owners including Snoop Dogg, Eminem, Justin Bieber, Madonna, Mark Cuban, and Shaquille O'Neal. A number of Bored Apes have been licensed for roles in movies, such as the Degen trilogy by Coinbase. Others are being hired as reps for brands such as the Mexican company Siempre. But why is all this important to XBO? XBO is currently holding an audition to find its own Bored Ape and is paying top dollar in rights for the digital collectible, and the owner selected will receive $100,000. But for a period that has been relatively quiet on the NFT front, right? But there's no indication on the site regarding what it takes for the ape to be selected. It could be that XBO.com is looking at specific traits or colors that matches its brand image. To enter the audition, all you must do is own a Bored Ape and head over to the official page and connect your MetaMask or Web3 wallet. For the security concerns, XBO prefers to be contacted via Twitter as the app offers NFT verification. Also, make sure to tell your friends, but even if you don't own a Bored Ape, the best way to benefit is to simply sign up to XBO.com early and take advantage of the higher starting tier as mentioned earlier in the video. In terms of future features, we don't know much right now other than that the homepage indicates the future plans in 2023 include borrowing and earning services as well as the creation of an XBO token. Payment card is also in the pipeline. It will be offered and available to XBO.com users starting from the gold loyalty tier. The cards have the following features: no inactivity monthly or annual fees, automatic conversion to local currencies, and they're accepted by over 40 million merchants worldwide. They offer up to 2% instant cashback on any purchase. You can create additional free one-click virtual cards, so head over to XBO.com and check out for yourselves. The link can be found in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.